Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we are discussing about the basic concepts of organic chemistry. So let's start. The topic is organic reactions. There are two types of organic reactions on the basis of bond fission. First one is the polar reactions and the second is free radical reactions. So the polar reactions, these organic reactions in which heterolytic bond fissions of covalent bond take place between two atoms, and as a result of this charge species, that is the nucleophiles and the electrophiles are formed, is known as the polar reactions. Types of polar reactions. First one is the substitution reactions. Second is the elimination reactions. Third one is the addition reactions, condensation reactions, and the polymerization reactions. So let's start. The first one is substitution reactions. The types of organic reactions in which an atoms and a groups of atoms is replaced by an other atoms and the groups of atoms is known as the substitution reactions. Types of substitution reactions. First one is the electrophilic substitution reactions and the second is nucleophilic substitution reactions. We have already discussed about the electrophiles and the nucleophiles phenomena. So let's start for the electrophilic substitution reactions. The types of substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen of an aromatic ring is replaced by taking electrophiles is known as electrophilic substitution reactions. So the example is halogenation reactions. Halogenation में discuss कर रहे हैं हम bromination reactions की. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हो सकती हैं इसकी, आयोडिनेशंस भी हो सकती हैं, क्लोरिनेशन रिएक्शंस भी हो सकता है, फ्लोरिनेशन भी हो सकता है. So let's start about the bromination reactions. When benzene is react with the bromine in the presence of Lewis acids, so the bromobenzene is formed. So these structures are basically the benzene ring structures, which is react with the bromine in the presence of a catalyst FeBr3. So the formations of bromobenzene plus HBr. Mechanisms according to that kind of reactions. First step, that is called the formations of electrophile. In first step, heterolytic bond fissions of bromine molecules take place in the presence of catalyst FeBr3. As a result of this, bromine electrophile is formed. According to these reactions, bromine molecules, that is the two more bromine molecules, plus FeBr3 in the presence of catalyst, so the formations of FeBr4 plus bromine electrophile. Electrophile is a positive charge. So the bromine electrophile is formed. In second step, electrophile attack in benzene rings and form delocalized carbocation, means the carbocations or the sigma complex. So that kind of a reaction, which is called the benzene ring electrophile attached with the electrophile. Electrophile formation क्या थी? Bromine की electrophile formation थी. This reaction is called slow step of reaction. In first one step, the bond which is changed the directions, that is called the positive charge. So the direction is changed according to the second step. Comparatively, the first one bond changed the direction and the second bond is also changed the direction according to the positive charge. So this is the three steps according to slow process of reactions. After the resonance of bond is called the resonance hybrid structure. Mechanism according to third step, removal of H plus and the formations of product. In third step, the removal of protons take place, bromobenzene is formed. So the formation of that kind of product, reaction with fast reactions, bromobenzene is formed and H plus protons is removed from the system. Second, आपके पास fourth step है recovery of catalyst. In last step, H plus ions means the protons is react with that is ions. Last step में protons हमारे पास remove हुआ था system में से, तो यही protons यानी H plus ions react करेंगे FeBr4 ions as a result of this catalyst, जो formation हुई थी catalyst से उसके साथ. So the formation of FeBr3 recovered. फॉर्मेशन किसी हो गई? कैटलिस्ट की ही फॉर्मेशन जो थी वो दोबारा से रिकवर हो गए फॉर द फर्स्ट वन स्टेप. अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट वन स्टेप, FeBr3 इज ऑल्सो रिकवर्ड. ठीक, अब यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं फॉर द सेकंड स्टेप इज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस. द टाइप्स ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस इन व्हिच एन एटम्स एंड ग्रुप्स ऑफ एटम्स इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय एन अटैकिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज नोन एज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस. Alkyl halides undergo acid reactions because in alkyl halides, carbon-halogen bond is polar due to higher electronegativity of halogen as compared to carbon. Due to this reason, is good target for the attack of nucleophile. So that kind of mechanisms are basically defined as attack of nucleophile, means that the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophile, which is attacked with the carbon partial positive charge, so the formation of nucleophile with the carbon relationship. According to halide, which is basically the negative partial negative charge is removed from the system. So that kind of reactions are basically explained as attacking nucleophile, substrates targeted molecules because it is the targeted of particular substance. And this one is the product formations, attachments of nucleophile, that is called the product, and the leaving from the substrates, that is called the leaving groups. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are among the most fundamental types of organic reactions in which nucleophilic substitution reactions are nucleophiles displays a living group, that is called the leaving group, in the molecules undergo the substitutions, that is called the substrates. The nucleophile is always a Lewis base and it may be negatively charged or neutral. जबकि living groups जो हैं वो आपके पास pairs of electrons when it is departs. System में से क्या हो रहे हैं? अलग हो रहे हैं. That is called the leaving groups. The substrates in alkyl halides, that is called the substrates, the leaving groups in alkyl anions, that is called the anions. The following equations include the generic nucleophilic substitution reaction and some specific examples. According to that kind of mechanism, which is explained for the mechanisms according to nucleophilic substitution reactions. So the first one is the nucleophile, attacking nucleophiles, and the substrates for the formations of a product and the leaving groups from the substrates. So these are the examples for the nucleophilic substitution reactions according to iodide, bromide, chloride, ions. These are the also examples according to that kind of relationship. In nucleophilic substitution reactions, the bond between the substrate carbons and the leaving groups undergo heterolytic bond cleavage. The unshared electron pairs, the nucleophiles form the new bond to the carbon atoms. We have already discussed about the nucleophile, which is attached to the carbon partial positive charge. So the halide ions is leaving from the substrates of the groups, formations of product and the leaving groups. Solve problem, a solution containing a methoxide ions in a methanol can be prepared by adding a sodium hydride to methanol. A flammable gas is the other product, right? The acid-base reactions take place. According to this strategy, and the answer is sodium hydride consists of the sodium ions, means the hydride ions, and that is hydride ions is a very strong base. It is conjugate base of H2, a weak acid. The acid-base reactions that take place is, according to the methanol, which is called a strong acid, is react with the stronger base, that is called the sodium hydride. So the formation of sodium methoxide, weaker base, and the hydrogen weaker acid ions. So these are the reactions according to the conjugate of acids, relationship, and the bases. Solve problem according to write the nucleophilic substitution reaction that take place when methyl iodide is added and the resulting solution is heated. According to strategy, and the answer is the methoxide ions is react with the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, that is called the ये आपके पास methyl iodide है, ठीक है, in a nucleophilic substitution reactions. So the methoxides react कर रहे हैं alkyl halides के साथ, तो formation हो रही है sodium ions and iodide ions की. Types of acid reactions. On the basis of mechanisms, there are two types of acid reactions. First one is SN2 mechanism and the second one is SN1 mechanisms. SN2 mechanisms stands for the bimolecular, means two products. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, it is one-step mechanisms in which attack of nucleophile and the removal of living group take place simultaneously. Before the formation of product or the transition state is formed in which the carbon nucleophile is half formed and the carbon halogen is half broken. Since in the transition state, which is the rate determining state, two molecules, that is the substrates and the nucleophiles, are involved. Therefore, this reactions is known as bimolecular reactions. So we have discussed about the SN2 mechanisms according to the bimolecular reactions. Both are the products formations in a transition state. Nucleophile, which is attack for the carbon, which is called the partial positive charge. So the formations in a transition state, nucleophile plus carbon, positive, partial positive charge. Leaving substrates, which is also attached in a transition state. So the unibimolecular, according to that kind of a reaction, which is called a bimolecular reactions in a transition state. So the first one step is called slow step, and the second step is the faster step, in which product, which is the formations of the nucleophiles and the leaving groups, is removed from the substrates. So these reactions are called SN2 mechanisms. According to the kinetics of nucleophilic substitution reactions and SN2 reactions, rate is directly proportional to the nucleophiles and alkyls bond halide ions. So the rate is equal to K, which is called the partial constant proportionality. So the nucleophile and alkyl bond halide ions. A nucleophilic substitution reactions has the general forms according to the nucleophiles, substrates, products, and the leaving groups. So these are the journal equation according to nucleophilic substitution reactions. So which are also discussed about the examples of iodomethanes and the nucleophile, which is attacked for the halide ions, so the formations of product methanol. These are the also examples according to the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Hydroxide ions in the strong nucleophiles stored in electron pairs because the oxygen atoms has unshared pair of electrons and the negative charge. Iodomethane. So the example is iodomethane is called the substrates, meaning the compounds is attacked by the reagents. The carbon atoms of iodomethane is electrophile because it is bonded to an electronegative iodine atoms. Electron density is drawn away from the carbon by the halogen atoms, giving the carbon atoms a partial positive charge. The negative charge of hydroxide ions is attracted to the partial positive charge. So these mechanisms are basically explained as according to that kind of phenomena. Nucleophile, which is attached with the partial positive charge. ऑक्सीजन के लोन पेयर्स अटैक कर रहे हैं कार्बन के पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज से और बॉन्ड अटैक कर रहा है इसके partial negative charge से. So the formation is in a transition step according to that kind of reactions. And the faster step is product and the leaving groups are formed. Mechanisms explanations according to that kind of reactions, which is mechanisms, which is also explained as SN2 mechanisms. SN2 mechanisms are basically examples categorized. Reactions of one bromobutane with sodium methoxides gives one methoxybutanes. Sodium methoxides, one bromobutane. So the formations of one methoxybutane plus sodium bromide. And the formations according to SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanisms are basically that kind of reactions, which is called SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanisms are journal equations. SN2 mechanisms with that kind of examples. SN2 mechanisms according to examples of iodomethane reaction. Mechanisms explanation according to iodomethane. And SN2 mechanisms, another examples. So the formations of nucleophile, which is attached to the carbon partial positive charge, that is called the electrophiles and the substrates. Formations of transition state and leaving groups is also attached. And second groups, that is called the nucleophile, which is also attached. That is called the bimolecular reactions in a transition state. Formation in a fast product, that is called formation of product. And the leaving groups from the substrate, which is also called in a transition state, that is called the leaving groups. SN1 mechanisms. SN1 stands for the unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. It is two-step mechanism. In first step, slow ionizations of alkyl halide take place and carbocation is formed. In second step, the nucleophiles rapidly attack in carbocations and form the substitution product. Since two-step is rate determining steps, only one molecule, that is the alkyl halide, is involved. Therefore, this reaction is known as unimolecular. The term is unimolecular means there is only one molecule involved in the transition state of the rate limiting step. यहाँ हम SN2 मैकेनिज्म को जब डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो यहाँ पे आपके पास बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन था। ट्रांजिशन स्टेप में आपके पास न्यूक्लियोफाइल और हैलाइड ग्रुप्स दोनों अटैच थे। दैट इज कॉल्ड बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शंस अकॉर्डिंग टू SN2 मैकेनिज्म्स। अकॉर्डिंग टू SN1 मैकेनिज्म हम इसको यूनिमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन कह रहे हैं। देयर इज ओनली वन मॉलिक्यूल्स इन्वॉल्व्ड इन अ ट्रांजिशन स्टेट। So the SN1 mechanisms according to reaction involves in two steps. यानी reactions को categorize कर रहे हैं हम two steps of mechanism. First step, a slow ionization gives a carbocations that reacts quickly with usually weak nucleophile according to 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. First step is the formations of the carbocations is rate limiting step. Alkyl halide which is attached to the halide lone pairs. So the formations both are separately formations, halide ions and alkyl halide ions. In the second step, the nucleophile, which is called a nucleophile. यहाँ पे आपके पास कार्बोकेटाइंस थे। न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक कर रहे हैं किसको? कार्बोकेटाइंस को अटैक कर रहे हैं, कार्बोकेटाइंस को। यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन हो रही थी किसकी? कार्बोकेटाइंस की। अब यही कार्बोकेटाइंस यहाँ मौजूद है और न्यूक्लियोफाइल इसको अटैक कर रहे हैं। सो द फॉर्मेशन आपके पास क्या हो रही है? न्यूक्लियोफाइल किसके साथ अटैच हुए हुए हैं? कार्बोकेटाइंस के साथ। If the nucleophile is water or an alcohol, a third step is needed to deprotonated the product. अगर third step हम करेंगे तो deprotonated of product की formation होगी. According to that kind of reactions in a kinetic reaction, जिस तरीके से यहाँ हमने इसकी kinetic equation को discuss किया था, kinetic nucleophilic substitution था, इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे इसकी kinetic equation क्या बनेगी? The rate which is proportional to the R bond halide ions means the alkyl bond halide ions means क्या है आपके पास? कार्बोकेटाइंस मीन्स हैलाइड आइंस। तो R आपके पास जो भी रेट निकल कर आएगा विच इज प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी के अकॉर्डिंगली K कांस्टेंट है तो R बॉन्ड हैलाइड आइंस। The mechanisms of SN1 reactions of tertiary means the tertiary butyl bromide with methanol is shown here. Ionizations of alkyl halide in the first step, the rate limiting steps. According to this reaction, हमने first step and second step of reaction किया था। यहाँ पे भी हम first step क्या थी? Formations of carbocations and the second step is nucleophile attack the carbocations. तो यहाँ पे भी हम यही स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं लेकिन हमने एग्जाम्पल को चेंज कर दिया है और एग्जाम्पल हमने यहाँ ली है टर्जियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड की। अब यहाँ पे आपके पास हैलाइड आयंस मौजूद हैं और अल्काइल ग्रुप मौजूद है। अल्काइल ग्रुप एंड द हैलाइड आयंस, अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैक कर रहा है हैलाइड आयंस को, सो द फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोटाइड यानी कार्बोकेटाइंस की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है। ये आपके पास कार्बोकेटाइंस हैं। यही कार्बोकेटाइंस क्या कर रहे हैं? न्यूक्लियोफाइल के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक कर रहा है कार्बोकेटाइंस की, सो द फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ product that is called the carbocations according to the nucleophilic attack. In the final step, अगर हमने यहाँ डिस्कस किया था कि लूज ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स हो तो लूज ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स to a solvents, so the further hydroxyl ions which is react with the nucleophile attack on the carbocations जो अटैक किए थे उसके साथ रिएक्शन कर रहा है, so the different formations of ions that is called the fast reactions. So ये इसकी एग्जाम्पल पूरी कैटेगराइज की है according to first step, second step or final step, the loss of protons to solvents, and the discussion is about these of the steps. Examples of SN1 mechanisms, मजीद एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे हम SN1 mechanisms की, that is called the solvolysis of 1-iodo and 1-methyl chlorohexane in methanol. So these reactions is also called the formations of carbocations, that is called the rate limiting steps. And the second one is nucleophile, that is called the nucleophile, which is attack. Nucleophile attack किसको कर रहा है? कार्बोकेटाइंस को अटैक कर रहा है, so the formations of product. Deprotonations to form the product, अगर हम थर्ड स्टेप पे जाएंगे, लूज ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स टू अ सॉल्वेंट, जिसको हमने deprotonated the product का नाम दिया था, तो ये थर्ड स्टेप बनेगा तो मजीद आपके पास प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोटोनेटेड मिथेनॉल की फॉर्मेशन होगी. So SN1 reactions categorized according to first step and the second step. According to general mechanisms of reactions, ये आपके पास पूरा स्टेप आएगा इसका. Differentiate करते हैं according to SN1 and SN2 mechanisms. SN1 according to that kind of a reaction which is called the chiral 3 degree alkyl halides and the racemic mixtures is the formations. सो SN1 को हमने कैटेगराइज किया था अकॉर्डिंग टू 2 स्टेप्स ऑफ रिएक्शंस, जबकि SN2 मैकेनिज्म्स अकॉर्डिंग टू chiral 1 degree alkyl halides with the formations of 1 degree। आपके पास जो भी फॉर्मेशन हुई थी रैसिमिक मिक्सचर की या 100% जो भी सोल्यूशन फॉर्मेशन हुआ था वो आपके पास क्या फॉर्मेशन हो रही थी कि रिएक्शन कोई भी इन्वर्जन या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के जरिए फॉर्मेशन हो रहा था। सो द SN1 रिएक्शंस एंड SN2 रिएक्शंस को हम कैटेगराइज करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स में। टेक प्लेस इन 3 degree alkyl halides, so the formations of 3 degree alkyl halides take place in 1 degree alkyl halide take place in 1 degree of alkyl halides, that is called the SN1 reactions। हमने कहा था कि ये बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शंस है अकॉर्डिंग टू 2 स्टेप्स। हम इसको कैटेगराइज करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू 2 स्टेप्स क्योंकि ये यूनिमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन था और यहाँ पे हम क्या इसको कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं ओनली 1 स्टेप। इसके दोनों बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रांजिशन स्टेप में आके इसको 1 स्टेप में बना रहे थे। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज a slow and the rate determining step, only the 1 step। Rate is proportional to the concentrations of alkyl halide. Rate is proportional to the concentrations of alkyl halides and alkali. It is a unimolecular reactions. It is a bimolecular reactions. Known concerted. Known या आपके पास क्या है concerted है। Independent of the concentrations of alkali, dependence on the concentrations of both. Carbocations is intermediate forms. यहाँ पे आपके पास formation क्या हो रही है? Take place only the transition state. Racemic mixture is formed while an inversion take place. Favorable in protic solvents, यानी जो भी आपके पास protic solvents according to the water या formations of group and the aprotic solvents and another groups. Orders of reactivity of 3 degree, 2 degree and the 1 degree. Orders of reactivity according to the 1 degree, 2 degree and the 3 degree. Rearrangements may take place, no rearrangements are take place. So these are the differentiations according to the difference between the SN1 and SN2 reactions according to the mechanisms of categorizations. So according to the number of factors affecting the relative rates of SN1 and SN2 reactions, the most important factors are the structures or the substrates, the concentrations and the reactivity of nucleophile for SN2 reactions only, the effects of the solvents ka kya effect padega, and the natures of the living groups. So these are the factors which is effect for the SN1 and the SN2 mechanisms. These are the references. Thank you.